So over here, you can see that this is a one scroll website, right over here, one page scroll website. So let's say, for example, I want to divide it into multiple pages, then I can easily choose sections right over here and then make new pages out of it. Let's say, for example, this is my bio right over here. I want to change this into a separate page rather than having it right over here on my home page. So in order to do that, you have to click over here on the section action, and here you can see there's an option to move to. So let me just click on move to right over here, and you can select a page as you can see right over here. So select a page which is new page as you can see, and I'm just going to move that out over here, and that disappears and there's a new blank page as you can see right over here. So there's home and blank page right over here, just like that. So in order to correct the name out right over here, I'm just going to go to the page section, and here it says blank page. So I'm just going to go around over here and rename this page right over here, and I'm going to rename this as my bio right over here, just like that, and the menu changes out. So you can go over here to home right over here and edit as usual, just like that. And instead of one scroll, now the website has been turned into a multiple page website. So you can see right over here there's menus just like that over here. So let me do the same with the FAQ as well. So I can go over here onto FAQ, I can move this to, and I'm going to go to new page, or you can choose one of the existing page right over here. I'm just going to go to new page, press OK, so that the FAQ gets actually gets moved out to another page right over here. And then I'm going to go to manage page right over here and rename this out as FAQ, as you can see right over here. So just like this, you can create multiple pages right over here, just like that. So you can also go over here onto preview and see how the site looks like now. So this is the page right over here. There's the my bio page right here, and the home page right over here, just like that. So you got the home page as well, you got the bio page, and you got the bank page right over here, just like that. So let me just go back and change that out as well. So over here in the page section, let me just change the blank page out. Let me rename that out into FAQ right over there. So I'm going to change that out into fact page right over here, and then it'll change out right over here as well. And that is how you convert a section into pages inside of Wix ADI. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.